Hello dear students, good morning and welcome back to English class. I hope that you all are safe and sound at home. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 2 of English course book, and the name of the chapter is Friends in the Park. Children, in the first chapter we have learnt about Manu and his family, isn't it? We got to know about the different members in his family. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about Manu and his friends. Okay? Manu has a best friend named Amina. So, this chapter is basically about Manu and his best friend Amina. So, before proceeding with the chapter, let me remind you one thing. You have to underline the difficult words in the chapter. Okay, so you will come across the new words which are difficult for you to understand. So children, you have to underline those words so that it becomes easier for you whenever you go through a chapter. So children, keep a pencil and an eraser in your hand and take out chapter number 2, Friends in the Park, in the English course book. So let us begin with the chapter. So children, please take out page number 15 and keep your finger where I am reading it. You have to keep your finger in the book. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with the other children. Now children, you can see the picture of the park. This is Manu and this is Amina, Manu's best friend Amina. And there are few other children also. Now children, every evening Manu goes to the park for playing and its friend Amina also goes to the park every evening to play. Both of them run around and play with the other children, whoever is there in the park. Now children, come to the second stanza. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. So, Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw. Now children, this is Manu and this is Amina and this is seesaw. Do you know what is a seesaw? Yes, this is a seesaw. All of you like playing in the seesaw, isn't it? We have it in our school also, right? So, Manu and Amina loved play in the seesaw. They also liked playing in the slippery slide. Now, here is a new word for you, that is slippery. So, what do you mean by slippery? Slippery means something which is very smooth, a smooth surface. Okay. So Manu and Amina like playing on the slippery slide. So I want you to underline the new word, that is slippery, and above all they liked playing in the swing. They liked swinging. Okay. More than seesaw and slippery slide, they love to sit in the swing. Now children, come to the third stanza. There are only two swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. Now children, you can see the picture of a park. There are only two swings, 1 and 2, and there are many children. You can see in the picture. But there are only two swings in the park. Now, how the children supposed to play all together? So, what they do? Everyone waits for their turn to come. Okay? They do not push each other. They wait for their turn to come. so that everyone can get a chance to play and everybody can have fun. So children, here you can see in the picture, the children are waiting for their turn. Now the fourth stanza. Come to page number 16. Put your finger where I am reading it. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. So one day, what happened? A new boy, Sunny, came to the park in the evening. He was very tall and very strong, and he wanted to play in the swing. So what did he do? He pushed Manu off the swing. Now come to the next stanza. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. Now what happened? Manu fell down as Sunny pushed him and he got hurt in his leg. After seeing this, Amina becomes very sad. Now this is Amina and this is Manu and this is Sunny. Now children, if your best friend falls down and he gets hurt, won't you feel sad? If somebody pushes your best friend on any of your friend, won't you feel sad? Yes, we all will feel sad, isn't it? So in the same way, Amina was also feeling sad for Manu, and she said to Sunny not to be rough. Now here is a new word for you again, that is rough. Rough means not gentle. Okay, so children, underline the word rough. But Sunny did not listen to her. Now the next stanza. The next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. So the next day in the evening, all the children again came to the park for playing. But that day nobody wanted to play with Sunny. What did they tell him? They told him that he was too rough. He was not gentle. So they did not want to play with him. Now children, this is the last stanza of the chapter. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join in too. So as Sunny was feeling sad, he decided to go and ask sorry from Manu. When he asked sorry, Manu and Amina forgave him and they started playing with him. And after seeing this, all the children in the park also started playing with Sunny. Now children, did you understand? So, what have we learned from this chapter? We have learned that we should never push anyone while we are playing. We should always wait for our turn to come. Okay? So children, you have learned in EVS about the safety rules, isn't it? You should always follow the safety rules while you are on the park or playground. You should never push anyone. Okay? Always wait for your turn to come so that you can also play and your friend can also play together. Okay? And the other thing is that we have learned from this chapter is that we should always say sorry for whatever mistake we have done. Okay, there are three magical words. It is sorry, excuse, and please. So you should always use these three magical words in your life. Okay, and if we say sorry, then everybody is going to forgive us. If you have done any mistake, you should always say sorry for it. Okay, so these are the two things that we have learned from this chapter. Okay, children, that's all for today, children. I hope that you have understood this chapter. What you have to do today, you have to read this chapter twice. Okay, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.